thoughts like the playing cards, close to my chest. Turn them round for the river and hope it's something that I won't regret.